Hello guys, I hope you are good. This video is English video. I think you know that's why you are watching my video. So now in this video I'm gonna tell about how you can speak the English and how did I learn the English. I will tell you two things after that. If you follow this thing, so you can speak the English. The first thing is listening, and the second thing is speaking practice. It is the second is one more important things. Most important thing. The second thing is if you listen less, doesn't matter. But you must to speak the English. It is a very important things. Some people think about when I learn the English complete, then I will speak the English. No, if you want to learn English, speak some sentences. After that the few months you will able to speak the English. I faced a lots of problem when I was learning English, because now we are Indian. I think some people watch a video my other countries, no problem. So the main problem that is when a person in India when he wants to speak the English, so he will think about Hindi language. After that he will translate in English language. It is good. I think it is good only 20%. It is not a good 100%. If you are a beginner, if you don't know about the English anything, so you must to do translate some sentences day by day. Like you have to do like I will translate 10 sentences. After that, day by day you have to decrease 10, 7, 6, 5. After that you have to translate in English language, not a Hindi language. There's something like वह जाता है, वह खाता है, वह पीता है, वह नहाता है. It is good, but after that remove your Hindi sentence. After then think about he eats, he goes, he drinks water, like that. You have to do like this thing. After that you will realize, currently you will not realize like that. See, 2 and 3 4 days, I think the 7 days you will realize, yeah, my mind is working, my mind is thinking only English. So it is a good things. If you translate Hindi to English, yeah, it is not good. 7 days it is enough. After that you must do things in English language, in English thoughts, whatever. If you do anything like watch, fan, video, the table, and anything, to create a new sentence in English language, not a Hindi language. मुझे पानी दो. Could you give me the water? Nah, don't translate in Hindi to English. Give me the water. Could you turn on the fan? Could you tell me what's the time right now? Like that. Some sentences you have to speak. After that, your mind will be decide, I will think about only English. I have to forget Hindi language. So the main thing is think English and speak the English. And right now I'm recording the video. The same things. You must to create the one channel. After that you will upload the video, and you have to upload the video to 2 minutes, the 5 minutes, it is enough for you. If it is very helpful, it is very beneficial, really. After recording the video, you will when you see your video, that time you will think, oh, this video, this sentence I did mistake. After that the next video you will do great. So the main thing is this listening and the speaking practice and record the video. After that you will able to speak English, and it's my guarantee, think in English and speak in English. It is a very important thing. So, and the next video I will tell you how you can think in English language, and I will tell you some sense. Next video I will tell you. Don't think about the present tense, past tense, future tense. No. Sense. The sense is a very important thing. When I was learning English, that time I was thinking about the sense is a very important thing. Sense is a very, present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. What the hell? Remove things, all things. Simple sentence means like a simple sentence. I go, you go, he goes, he doesn't go, I don't go. Like that. English sense, not ta hai, ti hai, te hai. Remove.
How to develop the sense next video I will tell you.